If you want to import a page layout, then you have to go to Pages, create a new page, or you can also do it in an existing one. Then you name it and open the Divi Builder. Here you choose Build from Scratch, and then you click on the three dots, click on the import icon and go to import. Here you can drag and drop your layout, and then you can choose replace existing content, otherwise it will be imported below it. And you can download a backup of your page, and you can also import the presets, but that's not required. So after that you click on import Divi Builder layout. Then you have to wait a few seconds until it's fully imported. Normally it takes around 10 seconds. And that's it. Now you have the complete layout in your page. If the progress bar starts at 100%, then you should try and disable all your security plugins. And you can also try the Divi Safe mode in the Divi settings. This usually fixes it.